Y'all like India Ari? Hi everyone, this is Sunday meal prep. This is not the most healthiest meal prep, but this is what we're doing, and I'm not hiding anything from anybody. So the purpose of me sharing this with you is so that you can see how I'm eating. You can get some ideas. You can eat the meat, spit out the bones, meaning if you don't like something, that's okay. Just take what you like and use it. But this is our meal prep just for a couple of days, not for the entire week, but just want to show you. Let me turn this around. Okay, so I think this week I'm going to start doing cold oats, putting them in some mason jars and having that for breakfast because I need more energy when I go to the gym. The meals I have today, these come from Blue Apron. These two are the same. They don't look the best. They don't taste all that good either. But, you know, if you had Blue Apron or HelloFresh, you know what I'm talking about. So these are pasta meals from there that also has roasted broccoli in it. And I also made some broccoli on top of the stove. And I seasoned this with some 7 seasoning. If you want to know about the seasoning, Jennifer Maybon is my Facebook friend. You see I'm almost out, but I did buy some more. That's amazing seasoning. This eggplant and okra came from our garden. So those are things that we try to eat. I got Instacart today from Aldi, so I got some oranges and an apple. This watermelon came from our garden too. We're going to start our garden in the garage earlier this year so we can get more of a harvest because these did come out well this year. So snacks that I eat, these Quaker Oats sweet barbecue is only 80 calories. It's rice cakes basically. The pistachios, this helps me to stay within that, what do you call it? Serving size, because I overdo anything that's out of a bag. These protein shakes, I get these from Costco. 30 grams of protein and only 1 gram of sugar. This is my favorite flavor, cafe latte. Tastes so amazing. Again, with the chopped Asian salad kits. So this is what I've learned since I've been doing these meal preps is these salads are too much for me. I'll try to eat the whole bag, even though I think Weight Watchers wise it's only like 11 or 13 points for this whole bag. But I overeat because I'm too full. So what I'm starting to do is get these smaller salads. It's less of a salad. Even though salad is good, you can overdo anything. So I'm too full and I stuff myself with those. So I'm going to start with these smaller salads. So this is some strawberries. I also got these from Aldi's. But guess what? If you meal prep your fruit, you'll be more likely to eat it. Hey, Seal. So yeah, I meal prep I wash my strawberries and I cut them up. I've got this nice little glass bowl from the dollar store. The reason I put this paper towel on it is because it absorbs the moisture, so you'll get less mold. So if you get less mold, your fruit will stay longer. I do like how this container is see-through. It looks beautiful. All I got to do is dig in for, you know, if I want to snack while I'm working. Also, again, I keep talking about these seeds. I measured out my seeds 1/4 cup so I don't overdo it. The last thing I want to show you is I'm drinking my detox tea. So whenever you drink a detox tea, remember this is the tea that I'm taking to detox my gut, liver, and my colon. It also is going to take the bloat away, help you decrease your weight when you take this detox tea, but you can flavor it however you want. So this came from the dollar store, pineapple mint, 0 calories. It's flavored water, pineapple. So I just put my detox here. I've said this several times before on my live. If you have not tried my detox tea, please comment a heart in this live right here or on YouTube. Put a heart to let me know you're interested and I will reach out to you and send you a free sample this week only. So yes, this is the ISO tea that I'm drinking to help me stay slim and trim. Hello, Coach Carrie. I am about to go get on the treadmill, get my 10,000 steps in. And if you all want to join the challenge with 10,000 steps every day, let me know and I will add you to our group because we are getting it in. Hey, Moy, how you doing? So thanks for joining me. Again, like this message, put a heart if you want me to send you a free sample. It's free. All you got to do is try it. And the side effect is your belly is going to be happy about it. Okay. Because we need to remove the toxins from our gut. So anyway, talk to you all later. I got to get this kitchen clean and go to bed. All right. Love you.